Let's go, man.
Fellas, I wonder would you mind if I talk to you a minute? You know, sometimes we have a tendency, or should I say we forget what a woman needs every now and then. That is, if you want to keep your thing together. Listen to me now.
Yeah, I'm with that block shit. Stay up on that block shit. Yeah, I'm on some hot shit. Always with that hot shit. Stay up on that block shit. Yeah, I'm on that hot shit. Stay up on that block shit. Always on that hot shit. Yeah, I'm on that block shit. Stay up on that hot shit. Yeah, I'm on that block shit. Stay up on that hot shit. Yeah, I'm on that block 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 shit. In the kitchen whipping on that crack in the Pyrex. All I really took was a fork or a motherfucking hanger. Shorty popping for the 50 for the OnlyFans. I already know I got some gift card swipers. Go to Walmart, make a play, come back in there getting paid. Chevrolet, still skating hard down the runway. I don't have no time to hate, playing on a Monday. Trying to do it hard from Tuesday to Thursday. Friday, yeah, it's popping at the motherfucking KOD. Got bitches dancing on a pole. Homie, yeah, he know me, so he steal my girl for the low. Now you know it's time to get paid. I'm sitting back, getting drinks in the KOD. Fuck you mean? Yeah, I'm still by to play a two. I don't have no time to play, still down a day or two. You already see what's up. Yeah, hit the lotto two. Tryna get a motherfucking drop, man, fuck a roof. If it come with a roof, got them double R's in the back with the stars living fat. Bitches looking good, you already know it's going down a fat. That's a plus, ain't no talking about who I love. And Glock, I trust, nigga, money is the option. It's the only way I can't succeed. Guaranteed it gotta be a way for niggas make it. If it ain't no way, guaranteed I take it. That's how I'm thinking, yeah, I gotta get it, gotta make it. Ain't no way, ain't no can't, I gotta do it. Fuck you, me, my nigga, how we living? Yeah, this shit ain't easy. Guarantee this shit we living, boy, this shit is never easy. We gotta get it, motherfucker, call it easy. Tryna do what we can do to survive. From Monday to Monday, shit, that's a week away. Day to day by day, we tryna hustle, tryna get it, living every day. Yeah. Live for that block shit, day by day, you know what I'm talking about? Gotta have that shit coming in, you know what I'm talking about? You know, the street people for the street people, the workers for the workers, you know what I'm saying? Shit big out here. You only get certain people that fuck with certain people, you know, certain category of people only fuck with certain category of people. You know what I'm saying? Crackheads only fuck with crackheads. Weed heads only fuck with weed heads. You see what I'm talking about? It's just only, you know, don't make no color. They just know what it look like.